This is John from JC Chinese. In this video, we are going to learn two characters regarding seasons. They are 春 and 夏. 春 spring, 夏 summer. Now let's write those two characters together. Alright, the first character we are going to write here is 春. Now pay attention to the stroke order. 春, a horizontal stroke, horizontal stroke, horizontal stroke, and a downward stroke to the left, and a downward stroke to the right. A horizontal stroke and a horizontal stroke with a downward turn and a hook. A horizontal stroke and last a horizontal stroke. So there are in total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 strokes. In total 9 strokes, and its pinyin is 吃温春温春. The initial here is 吃 and the final is 温. It's a level tone. 吃温春. I'm going to write it again. You can write with me. Pay attention to the strokes. 春, it means spring. And this is a top bottom structure character. And this part here, this part is the top. And this part here is the bottom. Alright. Next character we are going to write is 夏. It means summer. Okay, 夏. Now pay attention to the stroke order. The first stroke is a horizontal stroke and a downward stroke to the left. Okay, and a vertical stroke and a horizontal stroke with a downward turn and a hook. A horizontal stroke, a horizontal stroke, and one last horizontal stroke. And then a downward left stroke and a horizontal stroke with a downward turn to the left. And a downward right stroke. Okay, 夏. So how many strokes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. In total, 10 strokes. And its pinyin is 喜亚夏. And its initial here is 西 and the final here is 呀 yi a. So and it's a falling tone. 喜呀夏. Okay, I'm going to write it again. You can write with me. 夏. Pay attention to the stroke order. This character is a little complicated. 夏. It means summer. And this character is also a top-bottom structure character. This is top, and this part here is bottom. Look at those two characters. 春, 吃温春 with 9 strokes. 夏, 喜呀夏 with 10 strokes. Now let's look at some phrases. The first one we are going to learn here is 春天. It means spring. 春天. 吃温春. 特一安天. 春天 Spring. 春天是我最喜欢的季节。春天 Spring is my favorite season. Next one, 春季. It also means spring. 吃温春季季. 春季. It also means spring. Next one, 夏天. 夏天. It means summer. 喜呀夏，特一安天，夏天 ，summer， 夏天很热 ，summer is very hot. Next one, 夏季 ，it also means summer. 夏季，喜呀夏，季季，夏季。Also means summer. 春天，春季，夏天，夏季。Alright guys, thanks for watching. If you like our videos, please give us a thumbs up and hit subscribe below. Thanks again. 感谢观看。